In today's video, we're diving into the world of hypothyroidism, what it is, the common symptoms, and, most importantly, natural solutions you can start using right away to improve and manage your thyroid health. So what exactly is hypothyroidism, and how can you manage it naturally? The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland located in your neck. Despite its size, it plays a huge role in your body by producing hormones that regulate your metabolism, energy levels, and even your mood. It's pretty important, right? Hypothyroidism occurs when your thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, leading to a slowdown in many of your body's functions. This can result in various symptoms, including constant fatigue, unexplained weight gain, sensitivity to cold, dry skin, hair loss, and even mood changes like depression and anxiety. Did you know that hypothyroidism is far more common in women than men? In fact, women are 5 to 8 times more likely to develop an underactive thyroid. Hormonal changes during pregnancy, menopause, and even menstruation can trigger thyroid issues, making it crucial for women to stay on top of their thyroid health. Living with hypothyroidism can feel overwhelming, but nature offers several powerful solutions to help manage and even improve your thyroid function. Let's dive into some of the most effective natural remedies you can start today. 1. Diet and vitamin D. Fuel your thyroid with essential nutrients. Your thyroid needs specific nutrients to function properly. Incorporate iodine-rich foods like seaweed, fish, dairy, and eggs into your diet to support hormone production. Selenium, found in Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and tuna, is another crucial mineral that helps activate thyroid hormones and protect your thyroid gland. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds, oysters, and beef, is also essential for hormone production. Additionally, vitamin D plays a vital role in thyroid health. Many people with hypothyroidism are low in vitamin D, which can worsen symptoms. Spending time in the sun or taking a vitamin D supplement can help keep your levels in check, supporting your overall thyroid function. 2. Coconut oil. Boost your metabolism naturally. Coconut oil is packed with medium-chain fatty acids that are quickly converted into energy by your liver. This can be especially beneficial if you're struggling with the sluggish metabolism that often comes with hypothyroidism. According to the Journal of Nutrition, starting with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil per day and gradually increasing to 2 to 3 tablespoons can give your metabolism the boost it needs. 3. Ashwagandha. Balance your hormones and reduce stress. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogenic herb that helps your body manage stress, one of the key triggers for thyroid issues. Research suggests that ashwagandha can support healthy thyroid hormone levels. You can take it as a supplement or brew it into a soothing tea. 4. Regular exercise. Keep your body active. Staying active is another great way to support your thyroid. Exercise can help boost your metabolism, increase energy levels, and improve circulation. Whether it's a daily walk or a more intense workout, getting regular physical activity can make a significant difference. 5. Probiotics. Support your gut and thyroid health. Did you know your gut health is closely linked to your thyroid function? Probiotics found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can promote a healthy gut, which in turn supports a healthy thyroid. A balanced gut microbiome helps with hormone regulation and overall well-being. Conclusion. By making simple yet powerful changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can take control of your thyroid health naturally. Remember, managing hypothyroidism is about balance. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can help you feel more energized, balanced, and in control of your health. That's it for today. Keep it simple, make smart decisions, and stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content.